Hey, how you all doing? This is Jason here over at Gear Auto Mechanical. Unfortunately, we got this sad job that we got to do today. Well, one of the next steps to my process of getting this 55 done for this customer, we got to replace this whole, we're going to go ahead and replace the whole panel because it's just cheaper and easier to do so. We got a lot going on. Like I got the new panel right here next to me. Got to cut off these rivets. Unfortunately, I'm going to have to cut out the screws. I couldn't get them just because, well, guess what? 50 years or over 50 years, let's see. How old is this truck? 55?
25? Does that sound right?
55, so it was 45 of 2000.
Boys and girls.
45 plus 25 is 70, is 65, so 70. 70, I think 70 years old. Anyway, let's rock and roll. We'll get this panel off, and I got to do both sides. So yeah, the whole thing's coming off, and it's going to get replaced. So most of the time, you should be using safety glasses for this, but unfortunately, I got my readers right now because I want to see what the heck I'm doing. And let's rock. Alright, so far, let's see if they punch out with the punch. If they don't, then we're going to have to just wait and get the other side apart. And then we'll get these off in the meantime. And pry it apart. So. Right now, we've got all the brads cut off, so we can get this piece off. I'm still gonna have to grind the brads down a little bit more so I can get them out of the original frame, and then we're gonna just weld from the inside out. That way, I guess, should work. Anyway, talk to you guys in a second. We're gonna set up for the next shot. All right. Back here, Gear Auto Mechanical. We're back on the other side now. Not hot. Okay, you want to get a new one and you can try it? Take a little bit of a break and get right back to you. We're gonna finish prepping this to put the new piece on, which is over there, having fun, hanging out, getting leaves on it since it's, you know, the fall already. God, this year has gone by so quick. Was it a short summer for you? Sure as hell was for me. All I did was play in this garage. Anyway, now let's get started finishing this up. explain nothing. They all understand every word I say, right? Everybody understands everything I'm doing because you guys are all smart. I know you smart people. Leaving comments as to what you do for a profession. I'll try to answer you. Maybe I've done a little bit of it. There we go. That's the way it's supposed to work, right? Oh, that's sweet. That's like butter. All right. Sorry, Chris, didn't mean to shoot that at you.
I had it coming.
Yeah. We're gonna go Australian on this one, because this just ain't fair dinkum. Shout out to Aussie man. All right. Well, we got that done. I'm gonna sand it a little bit more, get a little bit more rust off it, and then primer it, and then we'll get back to you on the next episode. Talk to you soon. Oh, hold on. Don't turn off that camera. And then tell them what they need to do. You need to like and subscribe. I hear that it's supposed to help my channel. So please, don't make me beg. Have a good one. We'll talk to you soon.